In this video, we're going to look at a comparison between the Desmos scientific calculator and the TI-84 plus scientific calculator for your SAT and ACT maths exams. Alright, so this is me from my own honest perspective or review, telling you the best for your ACT or SAT maths. So after going through this video, you will be in a better position to make the right judgment on the right calculator to use for your ACT or SAT maths. Okay, now for these two calculators we have here, between this TI-84 plus and the Desmos scientific calculator, if you ask me from my own lenses or from my own perspective of the two calculators, to see the right one or the best one for the ACT maths or the SAT maths, I'm going to tell you that the best so far is the TI-84 plus. Alright, here is the reason. The reason the TI-84 plus is the best is the fact that it's more user friendly than the Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator. Again, is that the TI-84 plus has more functions or calculative features than the inbuilt Desmos scientific calculator. As a beginner, when it comes to the use of scientific calculators, getting or relying on Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator won't be that convenient, as it will take you a good amount of timing to get used to the features or functions of this calculator. But with the TI-84 plus, it will take you that good amount of time or that good length of time to get used to the features or functions of the TI-84 plus. Alright, so guys, if you are preparing for SAT or ACT, my advice is that you should get the TI-84 plus and begin to practice with it. Alright, so you will enjoy and find this TI-84 plus scientific calculator user friendly than the Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator. This is my own judgment, this is my own perspective. Other persons might have a different view on this. Not that this Desmos scientific calculator is not good on its own, it's actually good, but what I'm saying in terms of timing and user friendliness, the TI-84 plus scientific calculator will give you that opportunity to understand it in less time than the Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator. And when it comes to user friendliness, the TI-84 plus is more user friendly than the Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator. And when it comes to more functions or capabilities of what a scientific calculator should be able to do, the TI-84 plus scientific calculator has more capabilities than the Desmos inbuilt scientific calculator. So with this review or this honest perspective from me, I hope you'll be able to know the right one to use for SAT or ACT. Okay, so guys, before we end the video, let me quickly show you something that will be useful to you. So if you check here, this is my channel. This is Casio Calculator Tutor Academy channel. So in this channel, I record videos on AP exam, SAT, ACT, GCSE and A-level videos. So when you take your time to go to my channel, I have lots of videos here. This is my playlist for digital SAT reading and writing tips and predicted exam questions. This is my playlist for SAT, digital SAT, maths, how to solve a good number of digital SAT questions using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator, and the rest of them. This is for A level, for those of you that want to write A level exams and all that. One more thing, guys, in this my channel I have crash courses or more detailed videos on how to master the TI-84 plus scientific calculator and the rest of them. Okay, so but this video is only accessible to channel members. So when you click on join here, let me show you. When you click on join here, alright, for that video in particularly, you will see it from good level. Alright, so when you are part of the good level of this channel, you will be able to access exclusive videos like my crash course on how to master the TI-84 plus scientific calculator for algebra, for calculus, and other amazing videos you also get to see in this channel as a channel member when you subscribe to the good membership level and all that. So I highly recommend that you should be part of it. You'll be glad you did, guys. You'll be glad you did when you go through those my crash courses on TI-84 plus scientific calculator. By the time you are done with it, you'll be very prepared to attempt, if not 90%, 80% of your SAT questions with the calculator and ACT questions. So in the future, I plan to record a crash course for ACT, Maths, and SAT Maths, and it will be accessible to only channel members at the good level. So if you join once that video is released, or once those videos are released, you will also be a partaker of them and all that. So that is for this video. I hope to see you as part of the channel member here, and we take it up from there. So that is for this video. I will see you in my subsequent videos. If you are new to the channel, you should subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of the videos. So like, share, and comment on the video. May I feature what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question or ask regarding what I talk about in this video, feel free leave your question in the comment section below, and I will sure to give you a response. So thanks for watching.